Hey guys, now we are going to solve question number 22. Uh, The question states that the distance of the point from the plane passing through a point 1, comma, minus 1, comma, minus 1 having normal perpendicular to both these lines is. Let's just first start with the things which are given to us. Let's start with constructing these equations. We are going to use now. It will simply be 1a minus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. We are considering these denominator values, and again we are going to get 2a plus minus of b minus c equal to 0. That is 2a minus b minus c equal to 0. So we got these two equations. This is 1 and there is 2. Now we have to compute these equations, and by taking A ratio, B ratio, C, you can get the values are 5, 7 and 3. Now we are simply going to satisfy these in the equation of plane, and the equation of plane would be ax plus by plus cz plus some constant equal to 0. Now let's just put these in this. That is 5x plus 7y plus 3z 5x plus 7y plus 3z plus 5 equal to 0. Now we can simply calculate the distance of this point from our plane, and that is simply coming out to be 10 by root 83. And now if we look at the options, 10 by root 83 is the first option, and this is the correct one.